Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up wallet security on the blockchain app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the blockchain app, then go to the profile menu here on the top left side of the screen, and then you have to scroll down to the security section, where you can set up two-step verification by turning this on. That means that you can add your phone number or your email to secure your wallet. You can also turn on cloud backup, as it is turned on for me. Below that, you can change your password. You can set up backup phrases by tapping here, and it's going to open up the secret private key recovery. And if you tap on view recovery phrase, then you will receive 12 words in a text, and you have to note them down, and those 12 words are going to be your backup phrases. You can also change your PIN by tapping on change PIN, and you can secure your account that way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.